How to add people at Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram app and wondering on how to add people or friends on your app and you don't know how to add them, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home page. Now tap onto contacts at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find the plus option at the top, just right here. Now tap on it. Now to add people, simply add their mobile phone number, just like this, and simply add their name and tap on to create. And that's it. This is how you can add people at Telegram. And don't forget that they need to have the Telegram, so if they don't have, simply invite them. And that's it. This is how you can add people at Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.